Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, we set off along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we intended nothing but to perform Hajj. When we reached Makkah Mukarramah and made a circuit of the house, thereafter Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders. Whosoever has not brought a sacrificial animal along with him should take off the ihram. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, thereupon those people who had not brought the sacrificial animal along with them took off the ihram. His wives as well had not brought the sacrificial animal, so they took off the ihram too. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, I started menstruating, so I could not perform the circumambulation of the house. On the night of Muhassab, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the other people will return after performing both Hajj and Umrah, whereas I will return after performing only Hajj. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, did you not perform Umrah on the nights and reached Makkah Mukarramah? I submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you should go to Tan'im along with your brother, put on ihram for Umrah and then join us at such and such place. Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha said, I think I am going to detain you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O injured and shaven-headed, did you not perform circumambulation of the house on the day of sacrifice? She submitted, why not? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then there is no harm. Depart. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, I then met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was ascending the heights towards Makkah Mukarramah, and I was descending, or I was ascending and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was descending. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2921.